Hello class, I will be demonstrating how to view my CPU. So here I have a YouTube video playing, and since I'm running the old Windows 7 version, my screen looks a little different than it would on Windows 10, the most current one. So here's my Windows Task Manager. What I could tell from this information is that the CPU usage is at 21%. My memory is at 3.26 gigabytes. And as the video plays, I see some activity right here. Additionally, there's 79 processes running on my computer right now. So the CPU usage keeps going up and down as the video plays. And right here, it demonstrates that the physical memory is 54%. Watching the CPU usage is very important because this way I could detect any changes in my computer and how they are taking the tasks, such as this YouTube video. Thanks for watching.